got a story to tell. Hey yo, this fat fuck likes to stack guts full of Mack truck size snacks up until his ass bust. You know, the one with the vacuum suction, fast food munching, massive, ominously vast stomach. I hope your special powers track running, cause his ass coming and he won't stop till the last function left is nap time. Ask 9 out of 10 citizens who try to put an end to what this serial killer did, that's enough. My name is Knuckle Joe. Used to be a pit fighter known for thunderous blows, rocking the red, white headband and the blue clothes. And you could say I earned my stripes from scrapping at night to Phantom and Lights. Another place, another time passed. You see, the gourmet race acquired a certain citizen taste. That's the reality we face. Chased by a tyrant with 2 beady eyes and 1 gaping pink gullet, concealed by the sly smile. This motherfucker eats a lot. Thought it was cute at first. Ice cream, cake, cookies. Seconds, thirds, breakfast, lunch, dinner, blurred. No distinction between them. Eating too often occurred to us this might be a fucking problem. And nobody remembers who the first victim was, but something changed within him the first time he tasted flesh and blood. When DDD fell, it was too late to fix a fucking thing. Nah, the real nightmare of Dreamland was not the king.
Day number 8 and Kirby still acting violent. This marshmallow tyrant is on a cannibalistic diet. He sees blue visions from his iris. His appetite's unbiased. His hunger never settles. He has eternal glut and virus. He's eating our world, your dreams and Milky Way wishes. Eating every fucking thing. So ain't nobody doing dishes. Yo, you get snatched like a vagina getting kidnapped. Like fresh meat getting bagged. Scream for help, you queefing pitch black. The layers where he keeps his citizen snack wraps. Carcasses hanging from intestines and fat scraps. Other pieces are mere smashed into a large ball of parts. He rolls them all together to form his ball of epic urine. A nasty sight to see. You wanna gouge out both your eyes, son. In my case, one. But you could see where I'm coming from. I only see darkness, and it's for the right reasons. Now everything I know get now rest in pieces. What is hope or what is peace? What does it truly mean to see? Illuminating death as our only possibility. What more do we have when we lose to hostility? Hope is now offered as a sacrifice willingly. Then I think of that then. That memory of my past that I can't seem to abandon. The last day I saw the sunset from the beach on Orange Ocean where my family was. Yes, it was the calm before the storm, before the world became a corpse. When we ate to live for more, before we starved at doom's doors. That day is the reason I still have some hope left. That day I saw the sun become angry and then it left.
Hey yo, we taking all the cookies, taking all the milk.
Whether it's the rice or the soy or the silk.
Taking all the ham, taking all the turkey.
Taking all the chicken, pork ribs and the jerky.
Taking all the cake,
taking all the custard.
taking all the ketchup,
Fresh mayo, honey mustard.
taking all the caviar,
Taking all the sushi.
clearing out the snap like he's about to watch a movie. He's not one for conversation, guys. I tried to get a word in edgewise. He ate the fucking speech bubble like egg white. The candy of spicy curry just puts us in a hurry. With all that eating and slurping, his stomach's gotta be hurt. With one fork and a knife, you gon' forfeit your life. So head for the hills tonight. There's no stopping his appetite. Hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your chicken, and hide your ribs. They call him a pseudo-masochist. Heard a fucking enough of this shit. My name is Knuckle Joe, and this time the gloves are off, so the name rings truer than ever. Never been a fan of the ring proper. I get off in the streets like Ryu. The bell rings in my heart, my fist sings with an art. I know what I must do now. We gotta take back what's ours and go hard from the lowest vegetable valley to the highest bubbly clouds on Mount DD. The future king getting his weight up for the final bout. Training on some rocky shit like the apocalypse. Tied 2 Rockies to each end of a stick for an impressive bitch. Called up my dog Wheelie so we could do some sprints. At which point I realized I could use more than some speed. So I went to Bugsy's dojo, learned a couple of throws. Saw the Council of Wisp, learned to focus and explode. Fire up my fist like a Shotokan master. Now the kid's ready despite all the naysayers chat. They colored me crazy as hell for going against the pink devil himself. But they did what they could for me, and they were happy to help. Now the fate of the realm rests squarely on the kid's shoulders. And no, the real nightmare in Dreamland is not over.
Now I'm uptown and it's time to relocate. Watching and waiting, strafing and evading. Where's this fat fuck hiding? He's probably waiting to bait me. I ignore him and move forward, but I can't be too hasty. Wait for it, stop to piss, then leave the alleyway. Look back, make sure I wasn't there for where I came. Then all of a sudden he's right in front of me, I'm taken. Crash into his face, pass out, then reawaken in front of the beast. I can see he's full now, that means I'll surely die when he goes for the next round. ground. I feel a cold touch, must be the grudge of despair. Kirby standing there, bold, with a piercing cold stare. Now we're face to face and going eye to eye, but I only need this one perspective to see the truth shine, illuminating dead eye, illuminating light. My life flashes before me, and it's more than I could ever see. Another consciousness, another state of mind. Now I realize I've left my body behind. I see bubbly clouds, cloudy park and sky high, half moon in the heavens, a vision of the afterlife. Ready for this, ready to die. I look below the heavens to find to my surprise I see the sun. How can it see me from this high? Staring at me really fucking pissed off. Is it really my time? Losing my mind, I'm blacking out. I hear a whisper as it climbs. The sun takes a strike at my demise. I wake up in a panic, same place where I left off. Knowing what to do, I channel energy before I set off. Aim at his food because I know he'll feel the pain much. Throw the massive beam like run from the explosion, then hear a loud bellow. Now I've awakened in the hospital. They say I've lost my eye. I'm not blind, just had my mind re-optimized. I see Kirby out there still wildin', still eating. He lost his sight at the scene and left for the time being.